everyone, welcome back. It's Sarah here.
And I'm Jake. Great to have you with us today.
Jake, quick question. Do you ever freeze when you have to speak English in a normal, everyday moment?
Oh, all the time when I was learning. Someone says, "How's it going?" And my brain just stops.
Exactly. You know the words, but in the moment, nothing comes out.
So today, we fix that. We're going to live one full day in English, together.
A normal day. Waking up, coffee, a little shopping, making plans with a friend.
And in every moment, we give you the real phrases, the ones people actually use.
Simple, natural English for real situations. Perfect for A2.
We'll go slowly. We'll repeat the important phrases. And at the end, you will speak with us.
So relax, listen, and say the words out loud when you can. Ready?
Let's start the day. Good morning.
It's 7 in the morning. The alarm rings. What's the first thing you say?
If you live with family or a partner, you say good morning. But there's more than one way.
You can say good morning, or more casually just morning.
Just morning. Native speakers drop the good all the time.
Let's hear a small morning chat. I'll be one person, Jake is the other. Listen. Morning. Did you sleep well?
Not really. I woke up a few times. How about you?
I slept like a baby.
Lucky you. I need coffee.
Okay, stop. Did you catch that phrase? I slept like a baby.
It means you slept very well, very deeply. A lovely natural expression.
And how about you? This one is gold. You use it to ask the same question back.
Remember it. How about you? Short, easy, and you'll use it every single day.
One more. When you leave the house, what do you say?
You can say, "I'm off." It means I'm leaving now.
I'm off to work. I'm off to school. And the other person says?
Have a good day.
Okay, now you're outside. You meet your neighbor or a coworker. Time for small talk.
Small talk scares a lot of learners, but it's simple. It's just friendly, short chat.
The most common opener is, how's it going?
Not, "How are you today, my dear friend?" Just, "How's it going?" Or, "How are you?"
And here's the secret. People don't want a long answer. Keep it short.
Let's play it. Sarah is my neighbor. Watch. "Hey, how's it going?"
Pretty good, thanks. You?
Can't complain. Busy morning.
Tell me about it. Have a good one.
3 amazing phrases there. First, pretty good, thanks.
It just means quite good. Very natural, very common.
Second, can't complain. It means things are fine, no problems.
And third, tell me about it. Careful, this does not mean give me information.
Right. It means I agree, I feel the same. Your friend says, "It's so hot today." You say, "Tell me about it."
And have a good one is a friendly way to say goodbye.
Next stop, the coffee shop. One of the best places to practice.
Ordering coffee feels scary at first, but it's the same few phrases every time.
Let me be the barista. Sarah, you order. "Hi, what can I get you?"
Hi, can I get a medium latte, please?
"Sure, for here or to go?"
To go, please.
Anything else?
No, that's it. Thanks.
Perfect. Let's look at the key phrases.
Can I get... This is how you order. Can I get a coffee? Can I get a sandwich?
You can also say, "Could I have?" A little more polite. Both are fine.
Then the barista asks, for here or to go?
For here means you stay. To go means you take it with you.
Small culture note. In the UK, people often say takeaway instead of to go.
Good one. And "that's it" is a simple way to say, "That's all I want."
5 phrases and you can order anywhere in the world.
Now let's go shopping. Maybe you need help finding something.
The magic words here are, excuse me. Always start with, excuse me.
I'll be the customer. Sarah is the shop assistant. "Excuse me, do you have this in a medium?"
Let me check. Yes, here you go.
Great. How much is it?
It's 20 pounds.
I'll think about it. Thanks anyway.
No problem. Did you hear the pattern? Do you have this in a medium?
You can change it. Do you have this in blue? Do you have this in a large? Same pattern.
How much is it? Maybe the most useful shopping question in the world.
So true. And if you don't want to buy?
You say, I'll think about it. It's polite. You never have to buy anything.
And thanks anyway is kind and natural when you leave.
Last situation. It's evening. You want to see a friend. Let's make plans.
This is where English gets fun. You're inviting someone.
The easy opener. Are you free?
Are you free on Saturday? Are you free tonight?
Jake, invite me.
Hey, are you free on Saturday?
I think so. What's up?
Do you want to grab dinner?
Sounds great. What time?
How about 7?
Perfect. See you then.
Beautiful. Do you want to grab dinner? Grab just means get in a casual way.
Grab a coffee. Grab lunch. Grab a bite. Native speakers love this word.
And sounds great is a warm way to say yes.
How about 7? You use how about to suggest a time or an idea.
And see you then closes the plan. Done.
Before we practice, let's collect today's golden expressions.
How about you? Ask the question back.
Tell me about it. I agree. I feel the same.
Can't complain. Things are fine.
I'll think about it. A polite maybe or a soft no.
Sounds great. A friendly yes.
Learn these 5 and you sound natural right away.
Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. Don't be shy. Say it out loud.
Morning. Did you sleep well? How's it going? Pretty good, thanks. You? Can I get a coffee, please? How much is it? Are you free on Saturday? Sounds great. See you then.
Well done. Did you say them out loud? That's how you really learn.
So today we lived one full day in English.
Morning greetings, small talk, coffee, shopping, and making plans.
All simple, all real, all things you can use tomorrow.
Here's your homework. Pick just one situation. Use one phrase today out loud.
Order your coffee in English in your head, or greet someone with, how's it going?
Small steps every day. That's the real secret.
If this helped you, give us a like and subscribe for a new episode every week.
And tell us in the comments, which phrase will you use first?
We can't wait to read your answers. Keep going, you're doing great.
See you in the next one. Bye.
Bye, everyone.